Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming essential inputs and safety so you can work confidently. First, verify the clock machine's rated supply, 12V DC versus AC, and record polarity. This prevents damage when you reapply power. Once done, remove the cover using an insulated screwdriver and document the movement and any error lights with photos. Use a multimeter to check continuity on the main rails and a magnifier to scan for burnt traces or loose solder. Make sure to wear eye protection and keep small parts organized. Next, you tackle the mechanical heart, gears, pivots, and escapement because accuracy depends on friction and alignment. Start by gently cleaning dust with a soft brush, then inspect gear teeth and pivots. If teeth are chipped or pivots wobble, rebushing or replacing the worn part restores smooth motion. Once clean, apply a tiny drop of clock oil to pivots only. Avoid overoiling. Meanwhile, test the timing motor, measure coil resistance and RPM. If readings fall outside spec, replace the motor to regain consistent drive. Finally, you reassemble and fine-tune so the clock machine runs reliably. Reconnect power and confirm the hands or indicator align to 12:00 at the reset command. This ensures startup synchronization. Run a 24-hour accuracy test and make small regulator or motor trim adjustments to correct drift. If the machine still misbehaves, isolate power immediately and perform a swap test. Replace the control board or timing module with a known good unit to pinpoint electronics versus mechanics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.